What is actually inside Elon Musk's tiny house? It is the question that has generated hundreds of millions of views and attached a price tag of $7,999 to a product that Tesla has never officially confirmed exists. If that sounds like the setup for a straightforward answer, this is not, because the story behind the house is considerably more interesting than the house itself. This is inside Elon Musk's tiny house. Let's dive in. What's inside? The house that has captured the attention of millions is 375 square feet, 20 feet by 20 feet, and every inch of it has been engineered to multitask. Walk through the front door and the living area is the first thing you encounter. What looks like a sofa unfolds into a sleeping surface. What looks like a wall panel conceals storage that would fill an entire room in a conventional home. The surprises keep coming. The dining area folds down from the wall when needed and disappears back into it when it is not. Every inch of space is used carefully, with no decorative elements that do not also serve a real purpose, and no design decision that was not made around a single constraint. The space is fixed. Everything inside it has to earn its place. The kitchen occupies one end of the open plan layout with compact appliances built specifically for small footprint living. It has everything a full kitchen needs. A refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, and microwave are all present, just not in the sizes you would find in a conventional home. The bedroom operates on a Murphy bed concept where the sleeping surface folds vertically into the wall during the day, returning that floor space to the living area, and comes back down in seconds at night. But the feature that separates this home from every other small living concept on the market is what sits on the roof and behind the walls. The solar panel array generates enough electricity to power the entire home independently. That electricity is then stored in a battery system capable of holding enough charge to keep lights, appliances, and climate control running even when the grid is completely offline. A smart energy monitoring system tracks consumption in real time and automatically adjusts usage to maximize efficiency. This house does not just use less space, it uses less of everything. And that is where the story gets genuinely interesting. Why Elon lived in a Boxabl. In May 2020, Elon Musk announced he was selling almost all of his physical possessions and would own no house. Most people assumed it was a publicity stunt. It was not. Over the following 18 months, he offloaded properties across California worth more than $100 million combined, a portfolio that included multiple Bel Air estates and a historic mansion in Hillsborough. And all of it was gone. The stated reason was straightforward. Every dollar spent on personal real estate is a dollar not available for the mission, and the mission of building a fully reusable rocket capable of reaching Mars needed every dollar it could get. His replacement home was a Boxabl casita, a 375 square foot prefabricated unit manufactured by a Las Vegas startup, delivered to SpaceX's Boca Chica launch site in Texas and set up in a matter of hours. In June 2021, he posted on X that his primary home was a roughly $50,000 house that he rented from SpaceX, making him the world's richest man living in a structure smaller than most studio apartments on a remote stretch of Texas coastline. What most people missed in the conversation that followed was not the house itself, but what the choice revealed about how Musk thinks about resources. He did not move into a tiny home because he had to. He moved in because he decided that maintaining a portfolio of large properties he barely used was simply a worse allocation of the same money. The richest man on Earth made a deliberate choice, and that choice helped spark one of the most talked about housing concepts on the internet. And the concept it sparked had a price tag attached to it that made even the casita look expensive. The Tesla technology already exists. The concept circulating online describes a Tesla tiny house available for $7,999, fully solar-powered, factory-built, delivered to your door, and set up in hours. Tesla has not confirmed this product exists, and that needs to be stated clearly. There is no official Tesla tiny house, no confirmed price point, and no production timeline. But here's what most people are not talking about. Almost every piece of technology that concept describes is something Tesla already builds and sells today. Tesla solar panels are available now. The Tesla Powerwall, with its 13.5 kilowatt-hour storage capacity, is available now and already installed in homes across the world. The intelligent energy management software that monitors consumption and automatically adjusts usage in real time is operating in millions of properties right now. These are not future technologies waiting to be developed. They are current products that Tesla manufactures at scale, and they are exactly the technologies the viral concept is built around. Then there is the Gigafactory manufacturing model, which is where the argument gets considerably more interesting. Tesla's factories use robotics and automated assembly to produce complex products at costs and speeds that traditional manufacturing cannot approach. The same model that brought the price of a Tesla battery pack from over $1,000 per kilowatt-hour in 2010 to approximately $139 by 2023 is the exact model that would be applied to modular home production if Tesla ever entered the housing market. And then there is one more detail that almost nobody mentions. In 2017, Tesla actually built a physical tiny house and toured it across Australia, towing it behind a Tesla vehicle as a live demonstration of the company's solar and Powerwall technology in a compact living environment. It was a marketing exercise rather than a commercial product, but it confirmed something important. Tesla had physically constructed the concept and considered it worth demonstrating publicly to real audiences. The house itself may not exist as a consumer product yet, but the technology required to build it already does. And that is a very different statement from the one most people are making when they share this concept online. Could Tesla actually build this? To understand whether a $7,999 Tesla tiny house is possible, you need to understand how Tesla has approached every other product it has ever built. The Tesla Roadster launched in 2008 at $109,000. It was an expensive, low-volume proof of concept that demonstrated electric vehicles could be performance cars, and nobody bought it expecting to afford it. They bought it because it proved the technology worked. Then the Model 3 launched in 2017 at $35,000, and 8 years of manufacturing scale, battery cost reduction, and production efficiency improvement had compressed the price of a capable electric vehicle to the point where millions of ordinary buyers could access it. Same technology, a fraction of the cost. The difference was the compounding effect of factory scale applied consistently over time. The cost of a Tesla battery pack tells the same story even more clearly. $1,010 per kilowatt-hour in 2010, dropping to approximately $139 by 2023, a reduction of over 85% driven entirely by manufacturing scale and process improvement rather than any fundamental change in the underlying chemistry. That trajectory did not happen because Tesla got lucky. It happened because Tesla applied the same relentless manufacturing philosophy to the same problem year after year until the numbers changed. Now apply that same logic to housing. Boxabl currently produces its casita at approximately $50,000, and that is the starting point before any meaningful factory scale has been achieved. If Tesla or any manufacturer applied the same automation philosophy to modular home production that brought a battery pack from $1,000 to $139, the cost reduction trajectory is not difficult to imagine. Whether it reaches $7,999 within a decade is genuinely unknown. Whether it can fall dramatically from $50,000 is a considerably easier question to answer. The surprising part is that this is not a fantasy. It is an engineering and economics question, and the people best positioned to answer it are already operating the factories. Why the world wants this? This concept did not go viral because people love tiny houses. It went viral because people cannot afford regular ones. The median home price in the United States reached $412,000 in 2026, and in most major cities that figure is significantly higher, locking out an entire generation of people in their 20s and 30s from conventional home ownership not through financial irresponsibility, but simply because the numbers do not work at any reasonable income level. The tiny home market has grown 50% since 2018 as a direct response to that reality, driven by people searching for alternatives that actually fit within their economic circumstances rather than the ones the housing market assumes they have. Prefabricated and modular housing reduces construction time by 30 to 60% compared to traditional on-site building methods, and factory-built homes are not a compromise on quality. They are a structurally superior response to a problem that the conventional construction industry, with its months-long timelines and rising material costs, is simply not equipped to solve at the scale the world currently needs. Natural disasters have added a completely different dimension to the demand. The 2023 Maui wildfires destroyed 2,200 buildings and left 4,500 people homeless overnight. The 2025 California floods demolished 12,000 homes in a single month. Each of these events creates an immediate need for rapidly deployable, affordable, and resilient housing that conventional construction takes months or years to address. And a home that arrives on a truck and is functional within hours is not a lifestyle choice in those circumstances. It is the only viable response available fast enough to matter. The concept of a $7,999 Tesla tiny house captured the attention of hundreds of millions of people, not because of clever marketing, but because it described a solution to a problem that hundreds of millions of people are living with right now. And that demand is not going away regardless of whether Tesla ever builds the product. The truth finally revealed. So here's the truth this video promised. Elon Musk lived in a Boxabl casita, and that is confirmed and documented. Tesla Solar exists and is commercially available today. The Tesla Powerwall exists and is installed in homes around the world right now. Tesla's Gigafactory manufacturing model, using robotics and automation to produce complex products at unprecedented scale, exists and is operating in Nevada, Texas, and Shanghai. And in 2017, Tesla built a physical tiny house and toured it publicly across an entire country. What is not confirmed is equally straightforward. Tesla has not announced a consumer tiny house product. There is no confirmed $7,999 price point and no official production timeline. The product described in the viral concept is not currently available for purchase anywhere. But here's what sits between those two realities. The technology exists. The manufacturing model exists. The demand exists at a scale that no housing company in history has ever faced. And the man most closely associated with this concept has a documented track record of being told something is impossible and then building it anyway. First with electric vehicles, then with reusable rockets, and potentially next with something considerably closer to the ground. The technology exists. The demand exists. The manufacturing capability exists. The only thing missing is the product. For now, if Tesla ever decides to enter the housing market, it could change the industry the way it changed the automotive one. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story like this one.